So I hate the weather right now. If you look closer at the water puddles, it is raining. And I haven't been outside because of this weather for about a week. I only got time to school and stuff, that's it, but really well. But you know, raining and it just snowed yesterday, so what's the point? Mother Nature cannot make up her mind today. I mean, like, it's just bad. And what's very, very dangerous is once this stops, if it freezes, we're gonna have ice like nobody's business. It's gonna be awful. But I guess the good part is that, school? Who am I kidding? I want to go to school just because I get out of this weather and actually do something that's not boring. I mean, yeah, schoolwork is boring. Yeah, it's schoolwork. Yeah, we're learning, but not really now because grades and such, but like, this doesn't need to happen. And just why? I would like it to snow more than just, you know, be here. And there's a little pear tree. Pear tree! And then over there, is that a pear tree? No, it's not a pear, it's a peach tree. And then over there, right there, right there, is an apple tree, who's doing pretty good. Oh, we lost a limb! Oh crap, and there's the one over there, that's new. Haven't seen that before. Wow. Oh, now it's just a straight downpour now. I wonder how many inches we'll get. Who knows? It's raining, it's snowing. Ice is coming our way. This sucks. Hey, you two. Hey, Mosey. Hi. Misty? That part right there, right there, right there. That's gonna be the most dangerous part of the whole house. And then, like, it's just a hole. That's gonna be a terrible. Oh God, why? So yeah, stay sharp, I guess. I'll see you guys next time. When something else happens other than this. I just had to show you this because it's idiotic and shouldn't be happening. So yeah. Yay. Yay for rain and snow and crap. No! My wind chime! Oh, wind chime! It's, oh God, the thing's about on the tree. I have to save that now. God dang it! Why? Stay sharp. See you later, guys. And hopefully this stops soon. Because I hate this. Bye, guys.